For David, today we follow a DSA question named frequency of elements in array. So this is the array question that are mainly asked in DSA interview. So first we read the program statement. You are given an array of integer. Your task is to determine the frequency of each unique element in the array. So now we can count the how many times the array value are. Like there is a given input array like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 4, 6. In this array, they give all the frequency of the array. Like 1 have 1 frequency and 2 have 2 frequency, and all the array whatever the frequency. So we can follow using different approaches. So first we follow using brute force approach, then another approach, then we can follow using the optimized approach. For now, go to VS Code and we can follow using first approach. For now, first we create, this is the approach 1. So first we can create a function named frequency of array. Okay, now we give array as input. Now we create a array name frequency, object name frequency. We give the frequency of object in on this approach. Now we can create a for loop, initialize with 0, then less than the length of the array, then increment the value like that length I plus plus. Now we can apply condition if frequency of array is not equal to undefined. So we can continue it. Okay, and let define a count variable also, initialize with 0, then apply one more for loop, let initialize j with 0, then same her length is equal to the array length and increment the j. Okay, now in this check the condition if arr of I equal to arr of j. So what we do, the frequency of the array is equal to count. Okay, count plus plus. Now what we do, we return the frequency. So this is our approach. Now we console log it to check it work or not. Console dot log. Now the frequency of array. So we give the input name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now we run it. It's working or not. We but run it. Kids. Okay. So I think there is an issue in the code. So now what we are doing now, like we directly give the counter, and after this if condition we can do frequency of array equal to count. Okay, now we check it's working or not. Slide with 0. Okay, now this directly continue it. What we doing wrong in this code? Okay, we do a minor. This is small but sometimes not visible. So like you see it, we can give the input and the output they show all of the frequency of the all array elements. So this is our first condition. This is your first approach. Now for using first copy this function because we use the function in approach second also, but some minor changes. Approach second. Now what to do? We like this our code is same. Now what we do? The frequency of array equal to dot hike the frequency of array or 0 plus 1. Check it's working or not. So this process is also working. So in this is simple approach. If you directly like check the frequency on the main. So this is the optimize approach. The first approach this is optimize. Or there is one more approach that also optimize approach. The approach is approach 3. This we use using the frequency map method. So first we paste this. Now we remove all the. Now we let first create a frequency map. First new map. Okay. Now what we do? We apply a for loop for let num for array num of array. Now we okay. Now we set the frequency map dot set frequency map error of I error of I or 0 plus 1 or return the we directly use the number return frequency map dot get num. Okay, for this is our approach third. We check it like there is for undefined. There is one condition for the undefined also. So we give the 0 also. Like first we can give a num, then we give the 0 also for the second condition. For now this is using the map method. So like this is the third approach. We use the set map method and we map the all the elements of the array, and that like you see on the output all the elements of the map are visible. But like you see there is a one mistake because all the because we do one minor thing wrong. Okay, like like this. Okay, now we check. So you feed now the our code is correct. We write code, they give all the inputs. Okay, how many the frequency of the input. So this is the correct for this is the all the approach that we fold the frequency of the array. There are many also approach, but you can try. So if you want more this type of video, so comment it about and doubt you can comment it. And for more videos subscribe Coding for Dev. Thank you for watching.